From new money to the Intense 5, let's go! Actress Sherry Lee Ralph is getting a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. That nicey, well deserved. Jashi's mother and father come out to clear the air. They're both angry at the bloggers who they say are fueling the story and putting their son in danger. Patra. No sir, what a way she hot. And all that heat was burning down the BET stage, okay? Kerry Washington is living it up in Kingston City. We hear she's working on a project. But she found time to go to Hellshaw, learn new dances with Ding Dong, and pose in front of random cook shops. Welcome home, Kerry. And finally holding the spot this week, the Dancehall tribute to Busta Rhymes at the BET Awards. Dexter, Skilly, Spice, and Cutty Ranks, big up on yourself, okay? That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.